Hi Flutter devs. In this tutorial, we are exploring one of the most iconic widgets in Flutter, the floating action button. This button is perfect for quick actions and add styles to your app. Let's see how to use and customize it. We will start with a basic floating action button and integrate it into a simple app. On my screen here, I have the void main method and the run app method, which takes my app, which is a stateless widget, and the material app is returned here, which has home, and then the home takes scaffold. Inside the scaffold here, if you hover on the scaffold here, you can see that you can add the floating action button to the scaffold. And so apart from the app bar and the body which the scaffold take, we can come here and then we can say floating action button. Then this takes also floating action button widget. And the floating action button takes the onPress. This onPress simply means that when I click on the floating action button, what action do I want to perform? And here we're just going to simply say, for now, print FAB pressed. And then let's add a semicolon here. And then we can add comma. And this floating action button widget also takes a child. And the child takes a widget. So the widget can either be a text or icon. So for this example, we're going to be making use of icon. And we're going to say icon dot add. Yeah. And let's save this. And as you can see, we have the floating action button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here, the floating action button include the onPress callback and an icon as its child. When I tap the button, it triggers an action. So let me type it now. And then you can see we have FAB pressed. Now let's customize the floating action button with background color, shape, and tool tip. To do that, we're simply going to come inside the floating action button widget. And we're going to say, we can add background color. And then I'm going to be making use of colors. Dots. Deep purple. And yeah, we can add shape. You can say shape, and then this takes rounded triangle corner, and then we can say border radius, and then let's add border radius dot circular, and let's give it 10 pixel. And yeah, and let's change this from the default color. So let's say color, and then let's make this color dot white because we already made the background color to be purple. And let's add a tool tip. Can add tool tip, and this takes a string, so we can add item, and let's save this. And then you can see that the background color has changed to deep purple, and then the icon is now white, and you can see the 10 pixel that was added to the corner. The essence of this tool tip is that it describes, you can see, it describes the action that will occur when a button is pressed. So it normally happens when you long press. So if I long press it now, you can see we have add item. Another customization we can add to our floating action button is to make use of the floating action button.extend. Good. Now you can see that I have an error here. So you can see it takes a name parameter label, which is required. So we're simply going to add the label to it. And this is going to take, if you hover on it, you can see that it takes a widget. So let's make use of our test widget, and we can say add item. And after adding the label, we no longer make use of child. Now we change this from, we can now make use of icon. And let's save this. And you can see, so let's change the color of our, so we can say style, and we can say test style. Let's give it color, and let's make it white, and let's save this now. And you can see we have this here. So the floating action button.extended lets you add both an icon and a label. It is ideal for more descriptive actions. And finally, you can change the position of your floating action button using the scaffold floating action button location. Okay, we can just come here and then let's add it here. You can say floating action button location, and we can say floating action button location dot. So you have from center dock, center float, center top. So let's make use of center dock and let's save this. And you can see we have it at the center of our screen. You can play around with the other options that we have and see how it works. So here we move the floating action button to the center bottom edge. In this tutorial, we learn how to add, customize, and position the floating action button in Flutter. It is a powerful widget that enhances your app's functionality design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more awesome Flutter content. Thank you.